Hey you lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a very simple and plain cake. It's too simple to make and it smells amazing. So today we are making cinnamon butter cake. So before we start, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. I've taken a big bowl and into this I'm going to add 2 eggs. I'm just going to beat these a little with my wire whisk. And now I'm going to add into this 1 cup of castor sugar. After adding the sugar, we are going to beat these until this is well combined, fluffy, nice and creamy. In short, we have to beat this until the sugar is dissolved properly. Now here you could use a stand mixer for this, but I'm not using it. This recipe is a classic recipe and old school when there were no fancy tools and technology used for baking. So I'm following the same rule here. So meanwhile, I'm adding some butter to a pan which I've kept on stove. This is 56 grams of butter and into this I've added 1 cup of milk. Now heat this until the milk starts to boil. Eggs and sugar have been creamed now. So now we are going to add into this all-purpose flour. This is 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Just mix this a bit. Also add 2 teaspoons of baking powder into this. Now you have to fold this gently. And now I'm going to add into this the melted butter and milk. Let's give it a good stir now. Now at this time you will preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So look at this. Now this is gorgeous, nice and creamy. Now let me just pop this into the cake tin. Now this is an 8-inch round cake tin which I have lined with parchment paper. So there you go. Bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. So here is our cake after 30 minutes in the oven. This looks lovely, absolutely gorgeous. So while it's hot only, we will take it out of the cake tin. I'm just loosing the cake with an offset spatula. Be very careful because at this stage the cake is going to be very soft and fragile. So this is the only cake which I will tell you to take it out even when it is hot. Otherwise I always tell you to wait for it to cool. So be really careful. Neither you should break the cake nor you should burn yourself. Just a few taps at the back. And here it goes. Let me take out the parchment paper. See, it's still hot. So here it goes. And now I've got some melted butter. I'm going to brush the top of this cake with the melted butter. You can put some more if you like. And we are not finished yet because now here I have some cinnamon and sugar that we have mixed together, and now I'm going to sift this over the top of the cake. smells amazing. You know, when this sugar and cinnamon hits the butter and the hot cake, it's really amazing. Now let me cut this beauty. Now the aroma of the cinnamon and sugar is just amazing. Look at this now. It looks beautiful and moist in the middle. Just look at this perfect piece of cake. It's gorgeous. It's too good. Can't resist myself. Simply yummy. So please give it a try. It's simply amazing and one of the best cakes you'll ever have in your life. It's so simple to make. You can make few changes here and there with the flavors. So hope you like the recipe. If you like the recipe, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for such more recipes. So until we meet again, this is Dipali from dipaliori.com.